Let us start this experiment. Today I am here with a new experiment named as automatic pump controller. The main purpose of designing this automatic water pump controller is to prevent the overflow of water from the overhead tank, and the second one is there is no required any watchman to watch these extra operations and to on and to off the motor. It is completely taken by the circuit itself. It gets automatically on and it gets automatically off. Let us see this experiment in detail. Here the pump, you can see this is the pump. Feel this is an underground level and this is an overhead tank. Now I am giving a 12 volt supply. 12 volt supply to the tank, to the circuit. The pump is on. The pump is on. In this there will be three stages: low level and high level and the ground one. You can see the pump is on. Pump is pumping the water from ground level to high level. And when the water reaches to a high level, it gets automatically off. But you can see here, the light gets put off. It means that the pump is off. Here you can see, still the main power is on. And you can see here also, still I am giving a 12 volts power also. You can see here, I am giving a 12 volts power also. But even though the circuit is in off, this is because the working of relay. Let us see. This is, first we can have a look upon the circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram. In this circuit diagram, I am using the components. Totally 4 transistors. Named as 458 transistor 1 and 9012 transistor is the another one. Let us see in detail. When I have given the 12 volts power supply to this relay, to this controller, this resistor R5, 5K resistor, 5K resistor starts conducting, but Q1 and Q1 and Q2 will be in off state itself. This is because they won't get any current for the Q1 and Q2. And the Q4, you can see here Q4 transistor starts conducting. Before that I am using a capacitor here, 2.2 microfarads. This 2.2 microfarads is used here to get a pure DC to the controller and for the correction of harmonics also. And here the 10K resistor and the diode 4148 diode starts conducting. You can see here the 4141 diode and the 10K resistor. They just give the supply to the Q4 transistor, and from the Q4 transistor again the power supply will be given to Q3. So again the Q3 also starts conducting. When the Q3 also starts conducting, once you make a tank empty, then you will have a good understanding over it. You can have a good understanding over it. We are showing that the LED is on. So Q3 is conducting and LED is on. But now also the Q1 and Q2 will be in off state itself. Now, see, you can show here, the water, certain level of water is here. But even though the tank is not made fully empty, still certain water is level. The low level of water, this is the low level indicator. When the water falls below the low level, the pumps get automatically on. Certain water is there, the pump is on. You can see here, pump is on. When it reaches to a high level, the pump gets automatically off. You can see here, the LED is on, all the transistors are working, Q1 and Q2 are in off state. When the water reaches to the high level, the Q1 and Q2 starts conducting. When the Q1 and Q2 starts conducting, the relay starts conducting and the relay gets tripped off. When the relay gets tripped off, there is no power supply to the motor. As a result, the motor gets switched off. You can see here the motor is switched off. This is because the Q1 and Q2 start conducting, and then when the Q1 and Q2 starts conducting, the relay starts conducting and the relay gets tripped off. When the relay gets tripped, they receive the signals for the Q1 and Q2. When the relay gets tripped off, as a result the motor is switched off. Now giving the supply with the 12 volts will be a cost for me. So I can use a 9 volts battery also here. Just certain level of voltage is reduced here, so it does not make a much difference for me. Now I am connecting this. To a 9 volt battery. You can just remove the sleeve for the battery and make a connection and give a power supply. Give a power supply. You can see here the relay is off because the tank is full, so relay does not, so the pump controller does not work, so pump will be switched off. But as soon as you make the tank empty, now you can see here the tank is empty. I am giving a 9 volt supply to this.
Then once you
I am giving a 9 volt supply to this. The relay is on. Now you can see the pump is on. Then from the 9 volt supply also the water is working in a good condition. Ultimately when the water reaches to a high level, the pump gets switched off. I am not using a 9 volt battery here. I am using not using a 12 volt battery here. I am just using a 9 volt battery here. You can see the pump is on. When the tank gets switched off, when the tank gets overflow, it gets switched off. So this is, friends, this is my automatic water pump controller, and very soon I will appear with you in front of you with some other project. Thank you.